Hey guys, thank you for stopping by to my video. I hope you like what I do. Please consider to subscribe to my channel. It'll help my channel a ton, and I'll be very thankful to you. Okay, enough for me. Please enjoy my video. You ever feel like you're just vibrating? Not in a good way, but like your brain is a radio stuck between stations and all you're getting is static. We're taught to just handle it. You get the email, you see the notification, you feel that tightness in your chest, and you just keep moving because that's what adults do, right? But man, this stacks up. It's not one big thing, it's 1,000 tiny paper cuts. The endless scroll isn't just a phrase anymore, it's a weight. And honestly, some days the well just runs dry. You're staring at a screen or a wall and you realize you've got nothing left to give. You're just tired. Not need a nap tired, more like need to disappear for a bit tired. So I go to the garage. People see a motorcycle and they think speed or danger. But for me, it's the ritual. When I pick up my helmet, the world starts to quiet down. It's a literal shedding of the day. Every buckle I fasten, every strap I pull tight, it's like I'm armor plating myself against the BS. It's the only time in my day where I'm doing something that's total intention. You can't half-ass putting on your gear. You're present. You're choosing to step out of the chaos and into something else. Before I even thumb the starter, I feel my heart rate starting to settle. The transformation doesn't happen at 60 miles an hour. It happens right here, kickstand. That first mile is everything. You can literally feel the city's grip starting to loosen. All those deadlines, they don't fit inside the helmet. The unspoken anxieties, they can't keep up. Everything gets simplified. It has to. When you're on a bike, you can't worry about your taxes or what someone said on Twitter. You have to worry about that gravel in the turn, the temperature in the air, the way the bike feels under you. It's a forced focus. The rearview mirror isn't just for traffic. It's where I leave the version of myself that's stressed out and overwhelmed. Out here, the world isn't a list of tasks anymore. It's just the road. There's this dance that happens. You, the machine, and the road. It's rhythmic. You shift, you lean, you roll on the throttle. People call it wind therapy. And yeah, it sounds cheesy until you're doing it. It's moving meditation. In a world that's constantly screaming for your attention, the bike only asks for one thing. Be here. Right now. It's the only time my brain actually goes quiet. The roar of the engine isn't loud. It's a cocoon. It drowns out the internal monologue. You start to notice the small stuff again. The smell of cut grass, the sudden drop in temperature when you ride under a bridge, the way the light hits the pavement. You aren't just traveling through a landscape. You're finally part of it. Sometimes I end up at the coast or deep in the woods or just at a gas station in the middle of nowhere. It doesn't really matter where the destination is. The bike is the conduit. It's a reminder that we're small, and that's a good thing. Our problems feel massive when we're trapped in four walls. But out here, under a big sky, they're manageable. This is my sanctuary. It's not a church or a therapy office, but it's where I find my clarity. It's where the noise finally turns into a whisper, and I remember that I'm actually okay. The ride eventually ends, and I have to go back to the real world. The bike doesn't fix my life or pay my bills, but it changes how I carry the weight. It gives me that little bit of resilience I was missing. It reminds me that I can find peace whenever I need it. I just have to go for a ride. So, I'm curious. Where do you go? What's your version of this? Is it the open road, a hiking trail, or maybe just a quiet corner of your house? Drop a comment below. Let's talk about it. We're all trying to find our quiet in this loud-ass world. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's keep riding. Stay safe out there.